Hello everyone, welcome back to a midweek video. I had to get in here and paint because following the exciting win from the Super Bowl for the Eagles, congrats to all my Eagles fans, I already had these beautiful colors in mind, but just following the win, I definitely had to get in here and paint using Eagle-inspired colors. So I'm really excited about this painting. I'm also trying out something a little bit different to keep the back of my canvas nice and clean. I used some craft paper to tape the back. That way when I'm pouring and handling it, it should not mess up the back, and hopefully we'll get some nice clean lines. So if you're an Eagles fan, this painting will be on my Etsy site in the link below if you'd like to buy it for somebody who's a big fan. But we do watch a little bit of football. We definitely watch the Super Bowl. One thing that's really big in my house that we celebrate every year is Puppy Bowl. Shout out to Team Fluff who won this year. So they're also Team Blue. Not these colors exactly, but yeah, just felt the excitement and surrounding of the win. So wanted to get in here and paint and not wait until the weekend. So just looking at our canvas today that we're using, this is a beautiful 22-inch by 28-inch gallery wrapped grandeur collection from Master's Touch, which I've used in the past, and they're very, very nice. So doing the calculations, if you want to know how to calculate the amount of paint, you take the width times the length. So we got 22 by 28. Multiply that together and then divide by 28. So this one's easy because 28's in the numerator and denominator. We need 22 ounces of paint, but it's a very quick, simple rule of thumb to get you pretty on target with how much paint you'll need. And then these cups I have here, so these are 16 ounces each. So we'll be filling them, you know, almost full, but leaving a little bit of room because we don't need the whole 32 ounces. All right, going over our colors. I'm so excited for this. Again, I was gonna be using these colors for my next painting anyways, so might as well do it now. So just to start off, this is just some titanium white from Master's Touch. Liquid acrylic, sorry. So in this pouring medium, I did add a little bit of Floetrol, my pouring medium from Curate, and a little bit of silicone oil. So the hopes with this is that we'll get some beautiful cells to mix in. And I see a little imperfection right on top of my paint, of course. Okay. The next color is, it's almost the Eagles color blue-green. It's phthalocyanine green. So this is a gorgeous deep color, bluish teal. It's a lovely color. I've used it many times before. This one's from Master's Touch, but beautiful, beautiful color and depth to it. So I figured it was a perfect opportunity to use that. And then to throw in a little bit of glimmer and glam, I am using a mix of pearlized dark blue and pearlized golden green from Master's Touch. So the two of them are combining to create a beautiful pearlescent teal color, similar to the phthalocyanine green, but just very iridescent and shimmery. So I'm really excited to see how that turns out. For my technique today, I'm gonna be resorting to my favorite. It's a flip and lip. So this is where we're gonna layer the cup. We're going to flip it over, pull it up, and see if we want to drag the cup through just to make some more beautiful designs. But I love this method because, especially when you're wanting to create cells or wanting some colors to mix together, this is an amazing way to do that. That's because when you flip the cup over, there's a lot of churn and mixing, and it creates beautiful transitions between the colors. It allows the cells really to shine. So that's the method we're going to be using. All right, let's get started. So for the bottom, I am going to add this color first, the phthalocyanine green. And the Super Bowl was really fun to watch. We're not, like I said, we're not really big football people, but you know, you have to watch the Super Bowl every year. That's yeah, that's a given, right? We tend to be hockey fans, to be honest, but it was a really fun game. I liked, and I really enjoyed watching it. I'm gonna come in with this pearl color here, just a little bit in between the layers. But the commercials were hysterical. One of my favorite reasons to watch the Super Bowl. But yeah, everybody, the defense was on both teams, honestly. I know the Eagles won, but honestly, both teams were on fire, I thought, with their defense. The defense was really good. So, okay, coming in back with that white. I want to save the white for the last layer on both as well. So we're going to come in and do that layer. Actually, let me do the pearl. Let me do the pearl color next. Let's switch it up a bit. So do the pearl color. We'll do it backwards, which is fun. And I do have some of this pearl color to do a flow extender as well. So we can have a little bit more. I know I just used that little cup, but we can use it as a flow extender. I'm just gonna flip this one over. Okay, and then back to our Alicynine green again. Oh my gosh, this color is just stunning. And you know, because I'm not a football fan, as big of a football fan as I probably should be, I'm really shallow in liking teams for their colors, and the Eagles blue, this blue-green is just so pretty. Another reason why I think, like, you know, for hockey, I love like the Vegas Golden Knights. Like the Vegas Knights are awesome. Again, just because I'm very facetious about team colors. So, all right, and last but not least, let's put that white on top again, because one thing that's fun about white is when you flip it over, that's going to be also creating those beautiful cells. So it is sinking into it a little bit. That's perfectly fine. I'm excited for that. And we'll see how it churns. Okay, I'll put this up here too, because I am going to be using a flow extender. So I got my 2 cups. I just layered my 2 cups. A little bit runny today. I'm excited because I want to have the colors mix a little bit more. So I kept the consistency a little bit thin, on the thin side from normal. All right, let's get to flipping. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That one? Oh, it's so pretty already. I could see it. 1, 2, 3. That one. Oh man, these colors together, I can already tell, are just so lovely. And the pearl and the white. All right, let's give these a little tappy tappy. And I can already tell the cells are outrageous. All right, let's lift up the first one, see what we get. Ready? Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, definitely gonna lip this one. I love those cells though. Oh, wow. Just beautiful. All right, let's do the other one. Oh my gosh, this cell part is so cool. Wait till you guys see this. So I'm not gonna lip through that because the cells are just so neat. The cells in here are so cool. I can't. Okay, I torched the bubbles. Look at this cup, guys. Those cells are outrageous. Let's stretch this, huh? All right. Okay, I've touched up my sides. Let me bring you down for a close look of the wet reveal. All right, close up of the wet reveal. Look at these cells, everyone. This is I've never gotten this many cells ever in my life before. That Floetrol plus silicone oil, holy cow. Look how beautiful these areas are. Oh my goodness. And I love there's like cells within cells within cells. It is so pretty. It looks like an ocean. Maybe a Philadelphia Eagles ocean. Ride the waves, everyone. Can't wait to see how this one dries. All right, so that's where I will see you at the dry reveal. All right, here we are the next day. Almost all the way dry, and I love this. It is so beautiful, so much detail. Let's go in for a closer look, okay? I love this midnight green. I looked it up, by the way. That's what the Eagles color is called. This beautiful like blue, dark blue teal color is called midnight green. But I love how it goes from the midnight green band kind of here in the middle. And then on both sides of it, we have this like white lacing on this side. And then down here, if we go to this corner, we have it again. And then it just mixes beautifully together for this kind of, you know, lighter teal color around the corners. So pretty. Yes, I love this midnight green. I'm going to keep calling it that from now on. But yes, I will have this on my Etsy site. Give it a check out. I will have this on my Etsy site, so I am going to put that in the link below in the video description. So please check it out. Buy it for a loved one or for yourself if you're a big Eagles fan, or just love these colors, these beautiful, it could almost be an ocean inspired painting too. So, and call me crazy, I don't usually find these things in paintings, but a lot of you do. Doesn't this kind of look like an eagle head right here? Like its beak and head and comes down? Let me know your thoughts. What do you see in this painting? Well, thank you guys so much for painting with me today. Congrats to all my Eagles fans on the win for the Super Bowl, and Team Fluff if you watch the Puppy Bowl. All right, till next time, everybody. Happy painting. See you soon. Bye.